Hey there, I'm Karina, and today I'm very excited to share with you the top 5 exercises that I choose and enjoy for isolating my upper body and muscle groups. Let's just show you what those 5 are. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Fit Me Plus 3. I'm very excited to have you here as always, and if you're new with us, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button because we're back for you at least twice a week with anything and everything, health, wellness included. So today, you guys, it has been a very busy and a very long week. You may or may not be able to hear it in my voice, but I have been sick for about 2 weeks now, which has really slowed me down and has really slowed us down in all aspects when it comes to my fitness and workout routine, but that's life and it is what it is. But with that, I did still want to get something out to you guys. And so today I thought that I would share with you 5 of my favorite exercises that I use when I isolate my muscle groups in the top and upper body. So I'm excited to bring that to you guys today. We've had a lot going on with baseball and things getting started, so I'm excited to see what that entails and what that brings into our family as we continue to incorporate in our fitness and healthy lifestyle as we continue to just push through. So let's show you guys what those 5 exercises are and how to properly complete them and add them to your everyday or workout routines when you're isolating your upper body. Let's work into some tricep extensions. You can do this a couple different ways. If you have a large body band like this, feel free to wrap it around your feet, get it behind you, and use that as an extension. If you don't have heavy enough dumbbells or dumbbells at all, you can also use a kettlebell, okay? Just for sake, I'm gonna show you with a dumbbell here. So you want to stand in your standard stance with your hips and your feet hip distance apart. You want these elbows, so make sure your elbows aren't flaring out. You want them as close to your ears as possible and then back. So when you extend, you should be extending straight up and back down. Straight up and back down. All right, we're gonna do a standard shoulder press here. You can do this standing up if you want. You can single arm and isolate and hold one. Again, make these as challenging as you can handle. But I'm gonna show you just a standard shoulder press. So obviously you get your weights, you're gonna get them here. Make sure that you're not holding them here as if it were like a front squat dumbbell or a barbell, excuse me. You want them to be back a little bit, almost like you're squeezing a penny with your shoulder blades, right? So that way when you push up, you can really isolate and feel the shoulders working. Again, you can hold and do one at a time. You can do this standing up. You can hold one up while you do the other. There's a lot of different ways to make this as challenging as you need it to be. All right, we're gonna get into a standard bench press. Again, if you don't have a bench, no fear here. Get your booty on the floor. Again, knees up, flat on the ground if you don't have a bench. If you do, we're gonna do a standard bench press. So one mistake that you'll see a lot is people arch all the way out at a 90-degree angle. No. Bring your arms in and your elbows at a 45. Hold here and push up. 4, 2 count, right? So 2 up, 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be there. Push up. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push up and keep it going for your full set. One of my favorite shoulder exercises, a lateral raise. So standard stance. I'm just gonna say standard stance. Think about these dumbbells as if they were glasses of something that you were holding, full of liquid. So you're gonna start together. You wanna be kind of shifted forward, not like bending over. We're not doing a bent over lateral raise, but you can't be standing forward really to do these appropriately. You want just a tiny bit of a hinge, like maybe 10%. So we're gonna start here. When we come up, pour your glass out and come back down. Go up, pour your glass out and come back down. Lateral raises are the most underrated shoulder exercise that there is. We're gonna get into a bent over row. Now you can again do this with a band. If you have a band, again, put it around your feet if it's a large body band and apply the proper resistance. Easiest way to do it, of course, is with dumbbells. You can again do this with a barbell. You can do it with whatever you have. So we're gonna keep our standard stance, but this time because it's a bent over row, we're gonna be hinging at the hips, which means you wanna push that booty back and hinge at the hips. You don't want to just be bending at your knees. You don't want to be putting your body too far forward so that you're putting any stress on your back. That's not what we want. You definitely don't want to be arching at all. So get your feet where they're supposed to go. Keep your knees a little bit bent. Hinge at the hips so that you're almost 90 degrees and parallel to the ground. You want to get your hands about at your knees here. Again, if you're more flexible, you can go a little bit more. I'm just not that flexible, especially with my back. But make sure that your back and your spine are neutral. You're going to take those arms and row them back. Squeeze when you get to the top and row them back. Again, you don't want to be like arching and looking here. You always want to look down. Make sure that your spine is neutral from your neck all the way to the top of your bum. And do your bent over row to go here. I hope watching today's video was helpful for you. It brought you a little bit of knowledge, or maybe even just a different exercise that you can incorporate into your everyday routines that you're doing with your health, wellness, and more obviously your fitness routines. So I'm excited to bring those 5 to you. We'll continue to bring you guys different core exercises, stability exercises, and staple exercises that I like to keep in my routines that you can do at home without having to have fancy equipment. I try to incorporate my equipment, but I know that some of you might be watching from home and you might not have those options. So I'm happy to bring you different things that you can do easily at home and incorporate them every single day to start getting stronger and continue your movement and your healthy lifestyle. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget that you can visit us on the Daily Journal at my Instagram, which is fitme_+3. And you can always visit our website and sign up at fitme+3.com, which also has our contact form. Don't hesitate to fill that out, as you will continue to get our updates, announcements, and every single newsletter that we send out. And we'd be happy to have you subscribe, as we appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe here at fitme+3 in our channel, as we will continue to bring you videos at least twice a week that will help you with everything from meal prepping, fitness, healthy lifestyle, fascia blasting, and everything included to help you continue to better your life. Thank you, and we'll see you next time, guys.